Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup job search spreadsheets with Airtable sync to cloud step by step clearly. Begin by opening Airtable in your web browser. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, locate your job search spreadsheet in Airtable. Click on the table that contains your job search data. Navigate to the options menu found in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Sync from the drop-down options. In the sync settings, choose the relevant base that you want to sync to the cloud. Decide if you want your sync to be one-way or two-way. For a one-way sync, select the destination as your cloud storage option. For a two-way sync, ensure both Airtable and your cloud storage can update data. Choose your cloud service provider from the list available, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Log into your cloud storage account if prompted, allowing Airtable to access it. Once connected, select the specific folder where you want your job search data to be backed up. Confirm the syncing options by reviewing the settings you've chosen. Click the Sync button to initiate the backup process. Monitor the sync progress in Airtable, ensuring all data is being transferred accurately. Once completed, check your cloud storage to confirm that your job search spreadsheet is successfully backed up. Set a reminder to perform this process regularly to keep your data up to date. If necessary, adjust the sync settings in Airtable for any future updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.